Welcome to the wonderful world of homegrown vegetables. Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting fresh, delicious food for your table. With a bit of planning and effort, you can turn this dream into reality. A self-sustaining vegetable garden provides fresh produce year-round, even in colder months. The key to a successful year-round garden is choosing the right vegetables for each season and understanding their unique needs. This essay will guide you through the process, offering simple, clear steps for planning, planting, and maintaining a thriving vegetable garden. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate your own little piece of edible paradise. Let's get started on your journey to fresh, homegrown goodness. Before you even pick up a trowel, careful planning is essential. The first step is selecting the right location for your garden. Choose a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure the area drains well to prevent waterlogging, which can harm your plants. Next, consider the layout of your garden. Raised beds are excellent for drainage and offer good ergonomic working height. They also help define your growing space, making it easier to manage. When planning your layout, think about companion planting. This technique involves planting different crops together that benefit each other. For example, basil repels insects that can harm tomatoes, making them excellent neighbors. Finally, determine the size of your garden based on your needs and available space. It's better to start small and gradually expand as you gain confidence. Remember, a well-planned garden is a productive garden. Now comes the exciting part, choosing what to grow. Select vegetables you enjoy eating and will use regularly. Begin with easy-to-grow varieties like lettuce, radishes, and spinach. These are quick to mature and provide a rewarding early harvest. Consider your local climate and choose vegetables suited for your region. Cool season crops like broccoli, cauliflower, and peas thrive in spring and autumn. Warm season vegetables such as tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers prefer the warmer months of summer. To extend your harvest, explore the world of succession planting. This technique involves sowing a new crop of the same vegetable every few weeks. It ensures a continuous supply of your favorite vegetables throughout the season. Don't forget about herbs. They add flavor to your dishes and attract beneficial insects to your garden. Section 4, Tending your patch. Once your garden is planted, it's time to care for your growing crops. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Water deeply and consistently, aiming for the base of the plants to avoid wetting the leaves. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature. Organic mulches like straw, wood chips, or compost also improve soil fertility as they decompose. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Inspect your plants regularly for any signs of damage. Early detection is key to preventing widespread problems. Many natural solutions like insecticidal soap or neem oil can help control common garden pests. As your vegetables grow, they'll benefit from regular feeding. Use a balanced organic fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Section 5. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Harvesting your homegrown vegetables is a truly rewarding experience. Pick your vegetables at their peak of freshness for the best flavor and nutritional value. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Use your fresh produce to create delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, gardening is a journey of continuous learning. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or initial challenges. Embrace the process, learn from your experiences, and enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food. With a bit of effort and dedication, you can master the art of year-round vegetable gardening. The rewards are plentiful fresh, nutritious food, a deeper connection with nature, and the satisfaction of creating something truly special with your own hands. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening gloves, and start planning.